If you don't like spending hours drawing or editing, but still want awesome animations, then use AI tools to get it done in minutes. Hey creators! Making animated videos used to be super hard, but not anymore. Today, I'll show you how to make cool animations using AI. No experience needed. Let's jump in. First up, write your script. Not sure what to say? Just ask ChatGPT. Type, write a 60-second script about your topic, and you'll get a script in seconds. So easy. Next, bring your script to life with a voiceover. Try ElevenLabs, Lovo, or Murf.ai. Pick a voice, paste in your script, and download the audio. It's that simple. No need to record yourself if you don't want to. Now for the fun part, animation. Use drag and drop tools like Animaker, Render Forest, or Toonly to create your scenes. Want even cooler visuals? Check out Pika Labs or Kaiber for AI-generated motion clips. Just upload your voiceover and sync it with your characters, backgrounds, and text. Play around and see what you like best. Ready to level up? Add some background music from Epidemic Sound or Pixabay music to make your video pop. Finally, pull it all together in CapCut or Canva video. Edit, trim, and you're done. That's it. Script, AI voice, AI animation, and a little music. You've made your own animated video masterpiece with zero drawing skills. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI-powered tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.